So the font, like I said, so these are the English, then of course bold, italics, underline. You can even choose to do the double underline. For accountants, we use that for our numbers, isn't it? Double underline. Okay, then we have our borders. Borders are very, very important. Okay, sometimes you can remove the grid lines and then use the borders instead. Okay, and then you can choose different thick borders, all borders, outside borders, and so on and so forth. They are also very, very useful to give a very good presentation to your document. Okay, then we have our, this is the background color. Like if I click on here, I choose this, then it will give me that background color like that. Okay, so this one is the color of the text itself. Like for example, if I come here and click, I want to make this staff ID as red, so I just click here, I choose red. Okay, but I don't want red, I'm going to go back, so I still choose my format paper. Very, very important. Don't forget your format paper, very important. Is it making sense? Okay. Then we have, I think we are done with our font. We can have more. Like when you're here, these are the ones that are used commonly. If you want to expand, you see all of them, you can just click on this one. If you click on this, it gives you a broader, menu. So we're going to go through this also. This is also part of, it's on a separate sub-menu. The number, the alignment, the font, border, the wheel, and so on. We're going to see that on here. Okay, so we go to the next one, alignment. The alignments are here. Okay, we could align them using top, middle, and bottom alignment. Okay, mark, center, wrap. To me, the most important ones that a lot of people are not aware of is the wrapping and the margin and the centering. Okay, so we're going to look at that. Now, if we see column C is staff name. But look at the staff name. Is it fitting in cell C4? Does it fit there? No, it does not fit there. Let's say the staff names are only very short names, like maybe they are only 5 letters. Do you need to expand this? Let's say the staff names are only this. All of them are only about 5 letters long. Do you need to expand this? Do you need to expand this column? No. But then if you don't expand it, your name, like what you need for this column may be something like this. But then your heading is not appearing properly. So what do you do to ensure that your heading appears without expanding the column? What do? We wrap. Okay, we wrap. So to wrap, you just click on the cell that you want to wrap, and then you go to the alignment, and then click on wrap. Once you click on wrap, look at it. Nicely, it has wrapped for you. Can you see?
Yeah.
And then it did not expand the color size. Is that clear, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's about the margin and the center. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is the heading. Okay, so this is the heading. This is our payroll heading. We're going to use this heading so that we can match and center between column B and column K. Okay, how do I do that? Between column B and column K. This heading here is supposed to be in the middle. Okay, because it's representing a table that comes from column B all the way to K. So what should I do? I highlight from B2 to K2. Then I click on Mark and Center. If I click on Mark and Center, it will be Mark and Center. So this gives you a very good presentation. But be careful if you are dealing in database. and you want to analyze the database, the merge and center cells cannot be used in the analysis. For example, if you want to run a pivot table summary, okay, you must make sure the areas that are going to be covered with the data that you're going to use must not be merged and centered. Otherwise, it's not going to work perfectly. Okay, so think over that. Okay, so let's say we want